The Makeblock mBot robot kit offers an impressive introduction to coding for children, making learning electronics and programming enjoyable and accessible. Assembling the mBot is straightforward, with clear instructions allowing kids to build it in 15 minutes, providing insights into electronics and robotics components. The robot kit includes a wealth of tutorials and coding cards, enabling children to explore programming and create projects independently using the mBlock software. This robot kit makes an exceptional gift for children, packaged with durable metal materials and offering educational value through discovery of programming and electronics. The mBot's open-source system ensures endless creativity, with compatibility for over 100 electronic modules and 500 parts from the Makeblock platform. With its diverse functions, the mBot can be used as a remote control car featuring line following and obstacle avoidance capabilities, enhancing interactive play.